For the past few years, the electric BMW 3 Series equivalent was the i4, an excellent car, but one fundamentally compromised by sharing a platform heavily rooted in internal combustion. But the wait for a dedicated, uncompromised electric sports sedan from Munich is officially over. Unveiled as the second vehicle in BMW's revolutionary Neue Klasse lineup, the 2027 BMW i3 NA0 is not just a new car, it is a total reinvention of the brand's core identity. It resurrects the quirky i3 badge from the old carbon fiber city car and applies it exactly where it belongs, on the back of a hyper-advanced 800-volt technological powerhouse for a driver who appreciates the blistering 800-volt architecture and razor-sharp dynamics of the upcoming Mercedes-Benz C-Class Electric. This bespoke Bavarian missile is designed to completely reset the compact executive benchmark and prove that BMW has finally hit its electric stride. Visually, when BMW showed off the Vision Neue Klasse concept, fans prayed the production car wouldn't be watered down. And mercifully, they delivered a masterclass in retro-futurism. The i3 perfectly retains the tightly wrapped proportions of a classic sports sedan, utilizing a long wheelbase, incredibly short overhangs, and flared wheel arches to create an athletic, muscular stance. The towering, controversial bucktooth grills are dead, replaced by a stunning shark nose front fascia that leans forward into the wind at a 6-degree angle. A brilliant homage to the classic BMWs of the 1970s and 80s. The illuminated kidney grills are now wide and horizontally integrated directly into new checkmark dual headlights, while the aero clean sides feature flush door handles and a sleek greenhouse that slopes elegantly into an almost full-width 3D rear light bar underneath that sharp exterior. The i3 is built on a bespoke electric platform utilizing Gen 6 eDrive technology that reads like science fiction by integrating new, highly energy-dense cylindrical battery cells directly into the chassis. It boasts a massive 118 kWh battery capacity. Paired with world-class aerodynamics, BMW is targeting a staggering 440 miles of EPA range, or up to 900 kilometers on the European WLTP cycle, making it an absolute marathon runner. Thanks to its true 800-volt architecture, the i3 can absorb electrons at a blistering 400 kilometers, effectively adding 250 miles of range in just 10 minutes to make highway road trips virtually seamless. The initial launch model utilizes a dual-motor 50x drive setup producing a whopping 463 horsepower with an induction-based front motor that can completely decouple when cruising to eliminate drag, kicking in instantly only when slip is detected. Inside, the cabin represents the biggest generational leap in BMW's history, totally abandoning the traditional driver's cockpit for a digital-first lounge controlled by a singular supercomputer. Known as the Heart of Joy, this processor computes acceleration, braking, and steering inputs 10 times faster than previous systems, giving the car almost telepathic precision on canyon roads. The standard instrument cluster is gone, replaced by BMW Panoramic Vision, a high-definition projection spanning the entire lower width of the windshield to keep crucial info constantly in your line of sight. Meanwhile, the center console is dominated by an asymmetrical 17.9-inch parallelogram touchscreen angled aggressively toward the driver, running the lightning-fast new iDrive X software.